Our Breaking the Barriers report highlighted that 78% of UK chemists recognise that women's career progression and also retention of women in chemistry was impacted by both caring responsibilities but also parental responsibilities. Now, at the Royal Society of Chemistry, we recognise that it's not just women who are affected, which is why we're launching our grants for carers. We're offering up to £1,000 a year to help with the cost of caring, and this will help our community to attend chemistry-related workshops, conferences, symposia and other career development events. So we welcome applications from Royal Society of Chemistry members and non-members from the UK and Republic of Ireland, but also from our members internationally. And we want to be responsive to the needs of our community, and we very much welcome feedback on our carers grants. We understand that caring responsibilities are wide and varied, and we're inviting you to come forward and talk to our inclusion diversity team if there's anything else that we can do to adjust and help you to attend our events. Later this year, we're looking to open up our grants to help individuals with specific needs because of disabilities to attend more of our conferences and events.